Hey guys, if you are searching for a good text to audio for a business, or maybe you are thinking about, hey, let's start Facebook YouTube channel or YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reel, then Voispark can help you generate by high quality audio, crispy voice, so your audience can engage with your video. To use this tool is super easy. Just make account and they give you credit and paste your text here. To add your voices, go to voice option. You can see a ton of voice here, from male to female, middle age. Just listen few audio if you like and select. Let's hear few audio. Santa Claus.
The quarterly sales report shows a 15% increase in revenue.
Yes, good.
The quarterly sales report shows a 15% increase in revenue.
It's not bad. Okay, let's hear some.
The
This
quarterly sales report shows a 15% increase in revenue.
Alabama man song looks very good. I just select this. You can select whichever like sound. I like this Alabama man, so I just select it generate. You can see text is super short, so it will generate quickly. You can see already generate. Let's listen.
The NASA spacecraft traveled approximately 4.67 billion miles over the course of 7 years.
You can see it is sounds very good quality. You also can choose like a model version. You can share also speed normal. You however like. For me, it's good. Also, if you don't want to select like a default voice, maybe you want to clone your own voice. So it is easy. You can see voice changer. You can upload or record or clone your own voice. You can see already clone here. Let me do it again for you. You have to record continuously for 10 to 30 seconds. It's very easy. Hello, I'm making this video so people who are searching for a good text to audio for their business so they can increase their business. Okay, this is done. And name a project. Audio confirm. Approximately 4.67 billion miles over the course of 7 years, reaching speeds of up to 38,000 miles per. Not bad, guys. It sounds very good. So you can just record and after done, we can download and upload your video editing software. Begin to make video. They also have a ton of other like a voice selection, like like a celebrity voice. I don't know this allow or not. We can share celebrity voice. Donald Trump. Come on, guys. Donald Trump is right now USA president. How is allow? Morgan Freeman. Uh, Elon Musk. Dark inverter. This is Star Wars franchise. Let's listen.
Sometimes the best conversations happen over a simple.
Damn. Optimus Prime.
Sometimes the best conversations happen over a simple cup of tea.
Joe Biden.
Sometimes the best conversations happen over a simple cup of tea.
Paris Hilton.
Sometimes the best conversations happen over.
Okay, I also found Elon Musk here. Here is Elon Musk.
Sometimes the best conversations happen over some.
It sounds real. If you add this audio in your video, nobody can say it is real or not. It is very high quality, but I don't want to risk adding this audio in my video, so you can get copyright. If you take my suggestion, do not take this. Just go for default or you add your custom voice in your video. This is a way to go safe. So guys, that is all. If you like this and hey, let's get one for my business. So you unlock Voispark team just launched their product in the App Store marketplace. You can see here. Right now they have a, looks like they have a full plan. If you are a beginner, then just get 59 one time fee. You don't have to pay a month. It's a one time fee. You are getting 120 credit. That's more than enough, and you are getting all features like a voice changer, voice clone, commercial, API access, all. Looks like they have from Hong Kong startup sit round. they are thus rising fund. Looks like they have a new player in a text to audio market. So yeah guys, that is all. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. In upcoming video, I will show you that if you have local business, I will show you that how local SEO can help you generate more lead and sale for your business. So yeah guys, thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to again like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you next time.